Okay, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk just about masterminds and I'm just going to elaborate really clearly on the idea of a mastermind. So, a mastermind is two or more people working in harmony towards a definite chief aim. Okay? When you work in harmony with people, that's power. Because once again, I will repeat it again, because repetition is the mother of all learning. Power is organized effort, power is organized energy. Okay, things organized together accomplish way more. Okay, the example that Napoleon Hill uses is a father speaks to his sons, they're fighting, and to demonstrate to them what power is, he takes a bundle of 7 pencils, he ties it up, and asks each one of them to break it, and they can't. I guess he has really weak children. I would be embarrassed if my kids were this weak. However, the point is the same. When he took that bundle apart and it was just one pencil by itself, they could break it easily. Power is organized energy, and a mastermind is an organization of the greatest power in the world, probably. The power of thought. Okay? The power of the human mind, that which separates us from all the animals in the world. Thought is the greatest energy in existence, and it might sound really basic for me to be saying this because everybody says these things to the point of cliche, but the mind is magic. The mind is energy. You put the mind together with other people and you've amplified it. I don't think it's 1 plus 1. It's more like 1, let's say 2 to the second power, okay? Add another mind, 3 to the second power. That's kind of the way it works. It jumps by magnitudes, okay? I wish I could talk more about it. Just think mastermind, if you look at any business, to keep it as simple as I can, you look at a business, you have a mastermind in the business directly for designing a product. Then you have a mastermind or a department specifically for marketing. You have frontline sales. You have a mastermind within masterminds. And at the very top, you have the chief executive officer or the chairman. That is the person who coordinates all the efforts of the smaller masterminds. Very simple. Some people want to make it too mystical. It's very simple. It's people working together, but it's also not very simple. Mind is the greatest energy. Power is organized energy. The mastermind is the greatest power.